Gor Kapatisi TV
Puli MBBS ha India ne Shabari kum ha Russia Uzbekistan Georgia China Philippines but kiwe de kiri kidi kitop medical colleges batru hakador babiang
ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang Rupa Premium Meghalaya
Habakran hakaway nagjingyalang kablalong halapalang Umentri rangba kajala ukonrat ke sangma Ulaong ba ukandit banyo iya kadur kadar bathamay jo Khyndailad bat sampoi Pyrkhat bakan long hadu katu hadin ba deb banweng ye kinong dimadan bat poi Pyrkhat ru bak surok Khyndailad kan he hadu katu ukonrat ulaong bak simpo arek sarkar du laisnem banle yakini kam bat kamlong basuk hadu bandapoi syakjinya hunlang Umentri rangba ulaong ru bak sarkar kan sedang no ban pen Bhabriew ya Khyndailad Badu khmi anti balakum nukum nuru Shuwa ka Kristmas day ban pendep yak jing pen internet khnam bakan day ka dak jong jing Bhabriew jong nong ba shalong.
Yesterday I was very happy to see the pictures of Khyndailad and Police Bazaar area, and I saw the entire streets were free and open. In fact, I was joking with my team that I never knew that the road was so broad because we could never see the roads in the past. But a lot of people don't know that this has been a process that's going on for the last 3 years. We've been working on this. Starting with many governments trying to resolve this issue of getting hawkers out and giving them a designated place. Many people will not know that there was a court case going on. And because of the court case, we couldn't take a step forward. Many people don't know that the court case was because there was a national law and there was a Meghalaya government law, both passed together, and there was a conflict in the two laws. And therefore the court case came in. When we came in after 2 to 3 years, we decided this is not going forward. It's better that Meghalaya repeals the act that we passed, so that the national law will ultimately apply. After that decision was made, we repealed the act, went to the court, did all the work, formed the different vending committees, got all the work done at the grassroots level, got all the spaces done for them. And this whole journey of the last 3 years has led to that one picture moment where we see the entire Khyndailad and this whole road that is there free of all the hawkers, and hawkers today have got a decent place now to sit without worrying about the rain and any space or whether they will be removed. And now it's a win-win situation where people are free to walk. The space will be now, in fact, beautification will start. I hope that we'll see some good work completed even before Christmas. I really would like to see this happen, and we're hopeful that all of this will culminate into the 2027 National Games time, when we would like to showcase the beauty of Shillong city and the state as a whole, and therefore all that work is going on. So therefore my message also today is that things take time. We must be patient. We must work in understanding. Government cannot do everything. We expect government to finish everything, do all the work. It's not possible.
Wat penleno yakni kakabu ki sopti etho ki babha bat shongdor nadu sa po hajar hadu hnriu po hajar tingka menta phila banyo hakdor lai po hajar tingka ya ki sopti etho ba shongdor hinyo po hajar chaneng phinyo tang san po hajar tingka amtang kata ka wei ka sopti ka de ka wei ka design tang na ka binta jongphi wan jit nok loi na molai moro bat na mot pran pho no menta hau khandai saw lai hnriu san pra hinyo lai pra